Target video for July 14th through the 20th. We'll go inside. There's a spend 50, get a $15 gift card, and we'll also get over 7 Ibotta rebates. And then at the end, I'm actually going to show you a few deals that I did over at Walgreens really quickly that you could do as well. I love that this Dial hand soap rebate on Ibotta keeps resetting. The Dial refills are 10% off at $5.39. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, leaving it to be $3.39. So it's less than like $1 a refill. And these Go Nanas are banana bread mixes, and you just add in a few ingredients to make it into banana bread. It's $7.99. There's a $3 Ibotta rebate, and you can do this up to 3 times, making it $4.99. So you could buy all 3 flavors if you want. Now I'll show you how I did the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. If you're new to Ibotta, just search it in the iPhone store or the Google Play Store, download it, input that code, and you'll get $5 for signing up for the first time on top of any other deals that you're doing. Ibotta is the #1 rebate app. They give monthly bonuses most of the time. You can cash out your money once you hit $20, and you can put that right into a PayPal account and then use your PayPal debit card to pay for your shopping trips if you have a PayPal debit card. So the first item I got was this 6-pack of scotchbrite sponges. They were $8.89. There's a $1.75 Ibotta rebate, bringing this down to $7.14. And it's a little over $1 per sponge. Then I picked up this Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. It's $2.69. There's a $1 digital coupon within the app, leaving it to be $1.69 after the coupon comes off. Then I got these Almond Hammer Deep Clean Power Packs for $11.99. There was a $3 Ibotta rebate, bringing this down to $8.99 before the Target gift card. And this counts, obviously, towards the spend 50, get a $15 gift card. Then I got this package of Snuggle. It was $4.99. There is a $1 back on Ibotta, bringing it down to $3.99. And of course, I had to grab this. This Tide Rescue is my favorite product. It smells amazing, and it helps remove stains. It was $4.99. There's a $1 Target Circle digital coupon, and then you can claim 50 cents over on Ibotta, which brings it down to $3.49. There's also a mail-in rebate for $3 if you haven't done that yet. I grabbed this Woolite for $6.79, and there's $3 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $3.79. We very rarely get deals on this, so I wanted to pick it up. It's a great product. Lastly, I grabbed the Scott 1000. It was $11.59. There's $2 back on Ibotta, leaving this to be $9.59. And this is a huge pack. There's 12 rolls in here. So this was everything I got today. It was $57.32. There were $3 in manufacturer coupons that came off within the app. I rolled $20 worth of gift cards. I got $13.25 back from Ibotta. So it ended up being $21.07 plus the tax in my state. And then I earned back a $15 Target gift card to use next time. And if you want to stay tuned, I'll show you a few deal ideas that I did at Walgreens on the same day. So if you have Walgreens cash stocked up in your app like a bank account, which you shouldn't, but anyways, if you have $20, go in and grab 3 of these puffs. They're $6.99. There'll be a 50-cent digital coupon, bringing it down to $20.47. Use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay this, and then you'll end up paying a little bit out of pocket. You'll get back a $3 and a $5 register reward to use towards the next transaction. So I'm working with a spend 40, get $8 in Walgreens cash. So I added in the small Tide products at $5.49. each. You get 4 of them, $21.96. Now, I had $7.05 in digital coupons applying to these, which left it to be $14.91. To help bring my purchase up to $40, I grabbed 2 of these Oral-B toothbrushes for $7, and there was a $3 digital coupon making it $4. The Dove body wash is $7. You buy 2 of them, that's $14. There's a $7 digital coupon. You can get the men's or the women's, leaving it to be $7. So I rolled $11 in registered rewards. It was $15.84 after coupons, and those rewards, I got back $8 in Walgreens cash, a $5 register reward for the Tide, a $3 register reward for the Oral-B, and $3 in register rewards for the Dove. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some ideas so you can go out and save on your everyday essentials. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see the next video. Thanks again.